Hey there.
Wes.
It's just me. Whoa!
Come on over here and graze.
Grace, girl, Grace.
Give her a second to get in the grazing mood. Now she's showing off. She wants to look at the camera. Come on, girl, graze. Get you some food. Get you some grass. Alright.
Oh, keep grazing. Graze, girl, graze.
You hungry?
Hungry? Graze, graze. Graze, girl, graze. I think she thought I said sit.
She knows you said something to her, so she's just gonna do that.
Graze. Eat the grass. Eat the grass. Oh man, she's not eating the grass anymore. Graze, graze. Whoa. Graze, girl, graze. 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 Oh my gosh. She's coughed. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Wes.
Hmm.
You're not gonna eat the guinea grass for us?
Come on, eat the grass, 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 grass, grass. Grassy grass, grass. Eat the grass, eat the grass. Whoa. Eat the grass. Whoa. Sounds like Max is coming. Here's Max. Max is a dog. I love a dog. Okay, look. Huh.
You already walking?
He's all over our bedroom floor right next to the box.
You did that this morning?
That's funny.
Wes walked him all the way down to the...
Yeah, a lot. Hey, Lou. Okay. Bye, Lou. Bye, Lucy. She's a border collie. Bye, Lou.